अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम कर रहे हैं CS302 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 स्टार्ट करते हैं। ए डैश आउटपुट कैन चेंज फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू द अदर बाय अप्लाइंग अप्रोप्रिएट इनपुट। करेक्ट आंसर इज लैच। Question number 2. A function represented by an expression in dash form can be readily programmed. Correct answer is standard SOP. Question number 3. Portable devices that run on batteries use dash circuit that have low power dissipation. Correct answer is integrated. Question number 4. Removing the NOT gate at the output of the NOR gate result in an dash. Correct answer is OR gate. Question number 5. The dash gate and dash gate implementation connected at the B input of the 4-bit adder is used to allow complemented or uncomplemented B input to be connected to the adder input. Correct answer is AND OR. Question number 6. The complement of a product of variable is equal to the sum of the complement of the variable is known as. Correct answer is De Morgan's first theorem. Question number 7. The Boolean expression A plus BC equals. Correct answer is A plus B bracket close A plus C bracket close whole bracket close. Question number 8. If odd parity is being used there for the 4-bit data and the parity bit should add up to give dash of 1 second. Correct answer is odd. Question number 9. The AND gate perform a logical dash function. Correct answer is multiplication. Question number 10. Dash device dissipate varying amount of power depending upon the frequency of operation. Correct answer is CMOS. Question number 11. If the number of samples that are collected is reduced by half, the reconstructed signal will be dash form to the original. Correct answer is different. The question number 12. The Boolean expression ABCD is dash. Correct answer is product term. स्टूडेंट प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अगर कोई गलती मिस्टेक हो गई हो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट करके मुझे रिप्लाई करें। Question number 13. Dash method are used to convert decimal fraction to binary. Correct answer is 2. Question number 14. A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C is the expression of dash. Correct answer is distributive law. Question number 15. Dash is used when the output is connected back to the input of the PAL or if the output pin is used as an input only. Correct answer is combinational input over output. Which of the following is the hexadecimal equivalent of 39? Correct answer is 27. Question number 17. The product term in standard SOP are called dash. Correct answer is min terms. Question number 18. A circuit that converts the n inputs to 2n output is called dash. Correct answer is decoder. Question number 19. Dash is the example of commutative law for multiplication. Correct answer is AB is equal to BA. Commutative law कौन सा होता है? AB इक्वल BA के बराबर होगा तो commutative law होगा। Associative law में 3 terms होती हैं। Question number 20. Each octal number digit can represent a dash binary number. Correct answer is 3-bit. Question number 21. 1011 minus 101 equal dash. Correct answer is 0 1 1 0. Question number 22. The output of the expression f is equal to a dot b dot c will be logic dash when a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 1. Then correct answer is 0. Question number 23. In 32-bit single precision floating point format representation, the range of exponent value is from dash to dash. Plus 127 to minus 126 is correct answer. Question number 24. The dash gate is used in application where the output signal is A1 when any one input is A1. Correct answer is OR. Question number 25. Which of the following is the example of comparator? Correct answer is X and NOR. X NOR. Question number 26. A plus B is equal to B plus A is कम्यूटेटिव लॉ। ये मैं पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुकी हूँ कि A प्लस बी अगर इक्वल होगा B प्लस ए के तो वो कम्यूटेटिव लॉ होगा। अगर यहाँ पर A प्लस बी प्लस सी होता इक्वल B प्लस ए प्लस सी तो वो एसोसिएटिव लॉ के इक्वल होता। Question number 27. Plus is written in ABEL as dash. Correct answer is hashtag. इसे हैश पढ़ते हैं, इस साइन को हैश पढ़ते हैं। Question number 28. A 5 variable करना map has. Correct answer is 32 cells. Question number 29. ये दोबारा से रिपीट हो गया। आप ये देख लें कि जो MCQ दोबारा रिपीट हो रहा है मतलब ये पेपर में आने के चांस बहुत है। 1011 plus 101 is equal to 1 lakh. Correct answer is 1 lakh. Sorry, by mistake 10,000. Correct answer is 10,000. Question number 30. Consider the sum of weight method for converting decimal into binary value. Dash is the highest weight for 411. Correct answer is 256. Question number 31. The series of TTL chips are characterized by their dash. Correct answer is both. Question number 32. The 3 to 8 decoder has active low output and 3 extra dash gates connected at 3 input to reduce the 4 unit load to a single until load. Correct answer is not. Question number 33. Dash is used when the output is connected back to the input of the PL or if the output pin is used as an input only. Correct answer is combinational input over output. Question number 34. A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C is the expression of distributive law. Question number 36. GAL can be reprogrammed as instead of uses E2MOS logic is used which can be programmed to connect a dash with a dash. Correct answer is column and row. Question number 37. NAND gate is formed by connecting dash. Correct answer is AND gate and then NOT gate.